Welcome back to Thrilla Art, and today you get a bonus video. That's right, today I'm starting a new series of videos, just kind of for fun, called Will It Ink, where I find random items in the shop here and see if we can use them to make fun, goofy artwork. And the first tool or apparatus we're going to use to apply our ink is going to be dental lathe equipment. These are like stainless steel carbide burrs, and we'll see what kind of fun abstract art we can make with our ink. Let me know at the end of this. Do you think it inks? I don't know. We're going to find out. Look at that masterpiece. What do you think? Does it ink? Survey says yes, it does. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please hit like and leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.